In this video, I explain how I solved LeetCode 2154. The description states you are given an array of integers called nums. You are also given an integer called original, which is the first number that needs to be searched for in the nums array. If original is found in nums, multiply it by 2, otherwise stop the process. Repeat this process with a new number, as long as you keep finding the number. Then return the final value of original. For this solution, I decided to write a recursive function with a while statement. The value of original will be multiplied by 2 only while it is found within the nums array.